Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also I will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you have to open phone application, open the keypad on it, and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *6776#. And this is the software information menu. Here you can see different informations about your software, like hardware, model, version, branch, version, and different informations like this. The next code will be *888#, and this is the engineer mode. You can display your PCB number here and also the QR code for it. The next code will be *426##***. This is the IFCM Diagnostics menu, so here you can display some other informations too. The next code will be **225#***. And this is the calendar info menu. Here you can display different calendars if you have added them on your device, so they will be displayed here. The next code will be *800#, and this is the feedback menu. So here you can just report some bugs with different features on your device. You can just contact the OPPO support here, so very useful code. The next code will be *1234#. This is the firmware version. The next code will be ****0000#***, and this code doesn't seem to work. The next code will be **06#, and this is the maximum SAR level on your device. And the last code for today will be *#06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.